feel uninvited. Left you home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me?
Welcome back. It's Karen. I was just going to come on today and just show you what I got myself for my birthday. I have always had it in the back of my mind. It's nothing like some new thing. It's just I've been wanting to get it, and I did. And I just want to show you a few other things that one of my daughters sent me. She lives in Nebraska, and well, first of all, I just have to show you this. It's so cute. My grandson made this. It's a fish, whale, I mean. And I guess it was from the Bible story, Jonah. And so he just loves reading about those Bible stories. He goes to nursery school and learns all them stories. And I guess he was all excited about this one. And so I'm just going to cherish this forever. I love it. And then she also sent me this, it says even if. And I guess it's from Daniel chapter 3, verse 18. He is still good. And so I just love it. I'm going to wear it all the time. Also, these cute earrings. I think they're so cute. They look like kind of leopard, but not really. Hope you can see them. Okay, and then I got some hand sanitizer from Bath and Body, and I just love this bowl. I hope it shows up on camera. Okay, and then she also got me this cute bowl. She gets these made with their photos on them, and it has happiness, love, family, and it has the grandkids' pictures on. There's Sam, and there's Will, and there's Will. Hopefully you can kind of see that. She also made me a cup for Mother's Day also. I'm going to show that to you. Okay. Well, she knows that Jennifer Aniston is probably my favorite person in the world, and I just love her style and everything. And so she had this coffee cup made for me for Mother's Day. It has her picture on it. And I just love it so much. Oh, and then also I got this for my birthday. Isn't that gorgeous? The color of this cover. It's called Pink Sand, and I just love it. I just love it. Love it so much. I don't know if you guys get excited over a phone cover, but I do. And so, yeah, I'm going to show you what I got myself from Louis Vuitton. All right, so I was at LV Friday, and I went early, about 11. Well, no, I got there at 10:30 because I knew there was going to be a line, and I did not want to wait. So I was second in line. And so, yeah, it went really good. I just basically got what I wanted to get, and came in the dust cover here. LB. Okay. I got the Never Full MM in the Damier Azur. And I've been wanting to get this for so long. I have the monogram, and I also have a bean, but I've been wanting to get this basically for summer, but I think it looks good all year round. I think I had to have the pink interior. I think it's so pretty, and I just love it. I mean, like I said, I know it's not like the newest bag out there anymore, but I love it. I know if you've been watching me, you know I'm more of a crossbody, smaller handbag gal, but sometimes I just want to carry a larger tote, but I don't want a heavy one, and that is why I like this one so much. It is not heavy. These straps, they stay on your shoulder, they don't fall off, basically. And I just, I just think this one, you're getting two bags in one, of course, because you got this little pouch inside that you can also use as a wristlet or anything. And it's just a gorgeous bag. I think it's great for somebody who is just starting out in LV and doesn't know exactly what to get. So yeah, I'm very excited over it. So yeah, I had a nice birthday. It was real nice. Social distancing, everything. And my little dog, she had a birthday yesterday, so we have a birthday back to back. Mine was Friday and hers was Saturday. Come here, Chloe. You want to say hi? Yes, you look so cute. Say hi. Tell everybody hi. No, you're looking the wrong way. You gotta look at the people. Tell them you had a birthday yesterday. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. She's looking out the window at something. But I'm going to show you a quick outfit of the day, and then I'll let you go. And I hope to see you again. If you like this video, I'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribe so we can get back together and visit. The cologne I am wearing is my new Dolce & Gabbana. I had it in my favorites, and I will link it below, and I just love it. I'm also wearing my medallion necklace that I love, and I will link it below also. And then these are the utility pants that I had in my video, I think a couple videos ago, from Free People, and I told you how much I loved them because they had a baggy look to them. And I think that looks so cute with a tank, a tank top or something for summer. And I'm basically just wearing my Havaianas today, and I will grab them here. They are the gold ones. So yeah, it's just a real easy outfit for summer. It feels real casual and comfy, and that's what I like because it's really hot out there. So yeah, I'm real happy over everything. And oh, I have to show you a shirt that I ordered on J.Crew that from the outlet. I just love it. Okay, I'm gonna link it below. It is a denim shirt, but it's very light. It's not heavy. It's perfect for summer, and that's what I was looking for. And it has a linen feel to it, and I just love it. I'm gonna just put it on, show you guys. Okay, and it's just perfect for the summer, if you're going into a restaurant, you know how they have the air conditioner up so high. I'll just tie it, I don't know. But anyway, I love it so much. And let me grab my new bag. Hi. Now, what I like about this bag, you can just wear it on your arm like that. You can also wear it over your shoulder. And I like it because the straps don't come off, fall down. I just love it. And I love it that you have your little wristlet in here too. You can just leave with that. And also you can cinch these sides in, just pleat them in like that. It gives it a whole different look. Let me do that here. And then you just pull this up here. Gives it a whole different look to the bag. I'll just do one side so you guys get an idea of what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching.